Hi buddies, welcome back. Today I want to show you how you can download apps on your Motorola Razr 4D, and for that you want to go to your Play Store, and then we have games here, and we have games for you, we have top charts, games for children, then we have premium games, and we have different categories. Then we can go to the apps here, also apps for you. And then we have top charts, children, so apps for children, and different categories again. And then we also have the book section. And here we have ebooks, audiobooks, different genres, top selling ones, new releases, and top for free. You see the search bar right here, so you can search for apps, games, and books that you didn't find in the recommendations. Let's say we'll go to the app section again for you, and then we'll put in the name of an app. So we'll say Lieferando, and now if we click on that app, we have more information, ratings and reviews about that app. And now we can say install. So now we can open it through the button here or uninstall it there. We'll go back and then it pops up on our home screen. So now we can go ahead, open it, set it up, or play the game or whatever else you've downloaded. So that's how you can download apps on your Motorola Razr 4D. I hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.